So you want to learn an epic, efficient workout to produce amazing results in straight arm, scapular strength and middle splits. In this workout, we're going to specifically focus on lever progressions and also planche progressions.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
What we're going to do in this video is show you 4 movements, 2 for strength and 2 for flexibility, taken directly out of one of the primary UMS workouts that we do on the straight arm scapular strength day, or SAS day, which is our Wednesday workout, one of the options of our Wednesday workout. Each of these movements are combined together so as to not impair one another. So we're going to be doing upper body strength work and lower body flexibility work for the middle splits, so that we don't affect the strength and stability of your body. This is going to dramatically improve the efficiency of your workout. You will just simply get twice as much done in half as much time. And that is one of the key benefits of our UMS program. Maximize efficiency and yield the best possible result for the time that you put into your workouts. In this workout, we're going to be doing movements for the lever progression. We're going to be doing strength movements for the planche progression, and we're going to be doing 2 movements for the middle splits. One is a muscular activation movement for the hip abductors and glutes, and the other is a straight up stretch for the middle splits. All of these movements have been hand-picked carefully for our UMS program because they deliver exceptional results.
3, 2, 1, go. Let's get started for round 1, everybody. Going straight into our scapular push-up lean. Very important that you hold for 3 seconds on each rep. Second rep, here we go. Scapular push-up. Leaning forward, being intentional with the end range. Hold for 1, 2, 3. Third rep. It's very likely that you're only going to be able to do 3 reps with this movement. Only do the amount of reps that you can do with good technique. Richard's doing 8 reps per set because he's quite strong with this. We're in the 4th rep. Going back. 5. Leaning forward. 1, 2, 3, coming back. 6, leaning forward. 1, 2, 3. Great work. 6 reps. Now we're going into the fire hydrant moils. This workout, there's not a lot of time to waste, so you want to be moving straight into it. You should be picking the weight up, putting it on your leg now. First rep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Remember, you're lifting your knee up hard when you lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Third and final rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. Now remove the weight plate. Put it on the ground. 5 ballistic reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it externally, rotating the leg. That means knee up and foot down. Hold it and relax. Great work. Okay, change sides. Straight onto the other side. Set yourself up. Grab your weight. Lift it up on your leg. Don't waste any time in this workout. Here we go. Getting ready for that first rep. Lifting up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. Keep the elbows straight. Here we go. Second rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Keep those elbows straight. Third rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remove the weight. Get ready for the 5 ballistic reps. Lifting the knee up as high as you can. Maintain a strong position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Knee up. Foot down. Externally rotating the leg. Come on. Great work. Okay, now we're going straight into the feet supported arch into hang now. Remember, you should not be pushing with your legs very much here. 1, 2, 3, and second rep. Go. 1, 2, 3 seconds for the hold. Relax. Coming back down. 3. Coming up. 1, 2, 3, and coming back down. Fourth rep up. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, coming back down. 5, 1, 2, 3, back down. Good work. Now into the straddle up. So for most people, definitely most people are not flexible enough to go straight on the ground like with this one. That's totally fine. You can do what Richard's doing on the bench here. You can even see he's even holding onto the rack in front of him to help him get back down. If you can, try to just use your hands on the box. It's totally fine though to do what Richard's doing. So that's the first rep, coming back down. 2, back down. 3, back down. 4, back down. 'That's right. Okay, we've got 40 seconds to the next round, so just take a break and relax. Take your time here. Ten seconds, getting ready for the next round.
In case we haven't met, my name's Yanni Baumeister. I'm a co-founder of Unity Gym and the UMS program. Now, there are 3 good ways you can work with us if you want to take things further. You can join our UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. It's free to join. We're in there daily. We share behind the scenes footage, bloopers, takes, and answer great questions from you guys. You can download one of our blueprints for strength, flexibility, fitness, or nutrition and join our Inner Circle email list. It's all free. Or you can sign up and do a free 30-day trial of our flagship UMS online coaching program where you'll get access to our coaching group, you'll get access to our 12 months of gym programming, our 12 months of home programming, and a whole lot more. Links are in the description.
Okay, let's go. In for the scapular push-up. 1, lean forward. 1, 2, 3. 2, lean forward. 1, 2, 3. 3, lean forward. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2, 3. 6, and leaning forward. 1, 2, 3. 7, leaning forward. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Okay, getting ready for the moils now. Great work, everyone. Second rep, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third rep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remove the weight. Ballistic reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great work. Okay, other leg. Here we go. Get that weight up on the leg. Getting into position. First rep, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lifting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 3, 4, 5. Great work, everyone. Okay, up into the feet assisted arch into hang. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Relax. Second rep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good work. Hold 1, 2, 3. Great work. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more, go. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Okay, into the straddle ups. Two. Three. Looking good, everyone. 4. 6. Almost finished. 7. 8. Great work. Great work, everyone. End of round 2. Looking good. Take a break now. Just rest for the end of the round. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. 1. 2. Hold it. Good. 3. Here we go. Hold it. Hold it. 4. 2, 3. 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Good work. 6. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Okay, straight into those fire hydrant moils. There's a lot to get done in each round on this Wednesday workout for the straight arm scapular strength. Here we go. Setting up with the weight. First rep. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last rep. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great work. Now remove the weight plate. Here we go. Ballistic reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Hold it. Lifting as hard as you can. Keep those elbows straight. Lift up high and relax. Great work. Change sides. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Second rep. Here we go. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Third rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And into the ballistic lifts. Here we go. 1, 2. Elbows straight. 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Okay, into the feet assisted arch into hang. Looking good, everyone. We're getting there. Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 3. Relax. 2, 1, 2, 3. Relax. 3, 1, 2, 3. Relax. 4, 1, 2, 3. Relax. 5, 1, 2, 3. Relax. 6, 1, 2, 3. Relax. 7, 1, 2, 3. Relax. 8. Now, of course, if you follow the instruction for this exercise, you may only be doing 5 reps, but with a 4-second hold or a 5-second hold or whatever it is that you do. Just make sure that you progress week to week as you achieve the goals. Okay, here we go for the straddle ups. Let's do it. Finish off round 3. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Great work. Okay, we are almost, well, we're finished round 3 now, so we've only got 2 rounds to go. You're looking good, everyone. These straight arm strength workouts are very challenging. Some of our top members at Unity Gym say that these straight arm strength workouts are the hardest workouts for them. And they're people that are very, very strong, that have been training with us for a long time. Often for people that are new to the UMS, they find the straight arm strength workouts, they don't get much out of them because at the early stages, it's very, very hard to activate these muscles. And even, you know, to work the straight arm strength where you don't bend your elbows at all is very hard for a beginner. So it's really important that you focus on quality. Don't worry if you're not getting the amount of reps that Richard's doing. Richard's just doing the workout at the higher rep range to show you can get it done in the time.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.